Introducing the LAY-Z-SPA St. Moritz. Relax and unwind in your very own LAY-Z-SPA. This stylish spa comes with our new rattan design. The soft touch digital control activates the 140 surrounding air jets. Designed for up to 7 people, you can now experience the same rejuvenating massage of a fixed hot tub for a fraction of the price. The MORITZ has been engineered using 3-layer TRITECH reinforced premium materials that are strong and durable. Easy to set up and ready for water in just minutes, the LAY-Z-SPA's rapid heating system heats the water up to a blissful 40 degrees Celsius. The sturdy I-beam construction delivers both strength and comfort. The power-saving system has an automatic start-stop timer controlling the heating, saving energy. Now with a new deflation function, your spa is quick and easy to pack away. Now it's your time to relax and unwind in your very own LAY-Z-SPA.